In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the menu bar in Wix to make it sticky and responsive. A sticky menu bar can be a fantastic feature, ensuring easy navigation for your website visitors, but sometimes this functionality might not work as expected. Don't worry, we're here to guide you on how to tackle this issue effectively. First, let's ensure that your browser isn't causing the problem. Open up your browser settings. You can typically find this by clicking on the menu icon, which might look like three dots or lines depending on your browser. This is usually found in the upper right-hand corner of your browser window. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear from which you need to select Settings. Next, you'll want to find the option that lets you clear your browsing data, which includes your cache and cookies. This step is crucial because cached data in your browser could interfere with the updates or functionalities of some websites like Wix. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled something along the lines of Privacy and Security. Here, you should see the option to clear browsing data. Once you've found it, you'll be presented with a couple of options on what you'd like to clear. Make sure you select Cache and Cookies. Clearing these can help with fixing various web page issues, so this is a good first step. After selecting the appropriate options, proceed with clearing the data. This may take a few moments depending on the amount of data that needs to be removed. Once your browser is squeaky clean, it's time to head back to your Wix site. Try accessing the site again and checking if the menu bar issue has resolved itself. If the menu bar is now working properly, fantastic. That means the issue was likely due to some outdated or corrupt data in your cache. Keeping your browser cache clear can prevent similar issues in the future. In case the problem persists, you might need to delve deeper into the Wix editor settings or consult with Wix support. They can offer more specialized advice if browser settings aren't the root of the problem. But hopefully, clearing out your cache and cookies has helped you get your sticky menu bar back in working order. It's always a good idea to keep your browser and system up to date to ensure everything runs smoothly. Remember, these simple steps not only help with fixing this particular issue, but can improve your overall browsing experience significantly. Thanks for watching today's video on fixing the Wix menu bar to make it sticky and responsive. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.